So now they're out there shopping, and let's say they go under contract. Typically they'll have about 10 to 14 days of due diligence period where they're going to do a home inspection and all the things that one would want to make sure this is the house for them. Are you doing anything in this 10 to 14 days, or have you already done what you need to do until the due diligence period's over?
Yeah. So within that sort of initial phase of them having gone into a real estate contract with a seller, in that due diligence phase, we're ordering some title information from the title company.
Cool.
We're getting the insurance contact information from the client and getting them their insurance set up on the home. We may be updating a few other miscellaneous items that we might need. Sometimes it takes the client a little while after they are pre-approved with us to actually find the home. So if 2 months go by, well, we'll need more updated, pay stubs would be an example that we would need to update, or an updated verification of employment as well.
Got it. Okay, perfect. So then, hypothetically, everything goes well, home inspection's great, buyer decides to move forward. Once they've given you the word, and sometimes at the end of the due diligence, but sometimes it's sooner because they know they're moving forward, then that's when you order the appraisal. Is that correct?
Yeah, and typically the lender and the real estate agent are communicating enough that they can say, are we okay to order the appraisal?
Got it.
There's no reason to have a buyer pay $525 for a home appraisal if the home condition is so poor that they end up canceling anyway. So usually we wait until the client has decided that, okay, this home is in good condition. We're going to keep moving forward, and then we order the appraisal.
Got it. Okay, perfect. So now the appraisal comes back, assuming, we're going to say most of the time it appraises, right? So assuming it appraises and everything's running smooth, and there's surely a whole nother situation if it doesn't, but assuming it does in this particular case, then you're typically about 7 days from settlement. Is that correct?
Yeah, I mean, give or take.
Give or take?
I mean, sometimes if we're moving quick, it's like, okay, Yoshi, we need to order the inspection quick, so that we can order the appraisal quickly and we can close within, less than 30 days. And,
Got it.
And you can close loans in less than 30 days, but if you can condense the inspection period and order that appraisal quickly, it does expedite things. But yeah, after an appraisal is back, about 7 to 10 days.
Okay. What's happening during this period, this last 7 days before they go closing, before they go to settlement, that you're doing? You always hear of those people that last week they went and bought a car, right?
Oh, man.
So there's one more pull of credit right at the end, if I'm not mistaken. What's happening that last 7 days?
So there's some internal checks that are done.
Okay.
They're called undisclosed debt notifications. So it's not a full credit pull, but it's sort of like a check to see if new credit was opened.
Got it.
And that's not necessarily a deal killer in the sense that credit needs to be repulled if we see on this report that they may have opened a new credit card or bought a car. But what we do need to determine is, will their debt to income ratio work now with that extra monthly cost of a car or a credit card? So for all the listeners out there, biggest piece of advice, do not, I repeat, do not open new credit until you have closed on that home and you have the keys in your hand.